Good morning, everybody. It's really early out here Saturday morning, and I got an early start. Just wanted to show everybody what I was working on with Project Redline this week. So once I removed my upper cowl, I had all kinds of rust in here. You can see, I'll try and let you see that I have cut out this giant rusted section through here. I've re-welded it across here and here. About to take the car outside and use my little spot weld blaster to try and remove any leftover remaining rust, and then gonna hit it with some weld through primer. If you're doing sheet metal fab on an old car, I recommend a couple of tools that come in really handy on this thing. This is my Roper Whitney number 5 sheet metal punch. Allows me to put holes in sheet metal very quick without having to do the whole drill thing. I've also got a set of these Woodward Fab sheet metal forming hammers, a set of 3 of those things, along with a shot bag, a real thick leather shot bag. I'm in Florida, so I filled mine up with beach sand, go figure. And this morning I have formed a new piece of metal and put all kinds of holes in it for plug welds. And it's a really unusually shaped piece of metal. You wouldn't think it, but I have beat on that thing with a hammer for a long time trying to get it to be a good patch. Luckily, this thing doesn't have to be pretty, which is good because it's not. It's going to drop right in here and plug weld in place. I'll get it, nice and flushly welded across the bottom, and then once I get one side welded in real well, I'll hammer form everything across the top to make it flush across the top, weld it up, grind it down, and I'll show you the end result. Hopefully it looks good. We'll see. All right, rolled the car outside, sandblasted all of the surfaces that I am about to weld over. I'm going to hit everything in some weld through primer. I even put my patch panel in my cabinet blaster so that the back side of that would have a beautiful surface for the primer. Alright, have a look at the finished product. I've welded the patch in place. Came out decently. Everything formed along the top and, folded over pretty nicely. Once I welded in the bottom, then I was able to start hammering on the top, and it just, conformed right to the car. So, give the video a thumbs up. If you thought it was cool, hit the subscribe button. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Have a good one.